EFSA recently published its Pesticide Report from 2017, alongside with a visually appealing data analysis tool. We'll take a look at their findings. Bell peppers and sweet bell peppers were the category of vegetables that was analyzed most frequently. More than 40% of the about 6,000 samples showed pesticide residues below the limit of quantification, or LOQ for short. Yet around 50% showed residues that were quantifiable but below the legal limit. However, almost 6% exceeded the levels of pesticide permitted in Europe. In baby foods, irrespective of the category, the number of samples above the maximum permitted residue limit, or MRL for short, was reassuringly low at around 1 to 2%, demonstrating that the controls in place are effective. Looking at the number of analyses by country, Germany had, with more than 19,000 samples, the majority analyzed of any European member state. Here, the number of samples exceeding the MRL is quite low at around 4%. On the other hand, Spain, one of the largest agricultural production countries in Europe, had only close to 2,700 samples analyzed for pesticides. This equals 6 samples per 100,000 inhabitants, a number at the low end of the scale. At the opposite end is Bulgaria, having analyzed more than 6,800 samples, which equals 95 samples per 100,000 inhabitants. It is also interesting that Bulgaria found with 9% a significantly higher number of samples above the MRL compared to Spain, which only found about 3% exceeding the limit.